Hello, everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then bounce around the market and look for something to trade. Well, as we're all aware, in the last month or so with the war going on, the market has been extremely volatile. As you can see here, this is the S&P 500, and you can see it's been all over the place, and all the indices are going to look about the same as far as the movement, like up and down, up and down. That was just the Nasdaq and then the Russell. So when the market gets this volatile, as I think I've mentioned before, I like to stick in ETFs because ETFs is a conglomeration of stocks in one big pile. If I pick one stock on its own, it may or may not be volatile. If I pick a group of 100 stocks, obviously they're going to be a lot less volatile as a whole. And so that's why I like to stick in indices when the market gets in this crazy kind of volatile arena. So pretty easy. Let's just go and look at the three major indices and see which one is the most volatile, and we'll make a trade there. So if I go to the S&P 500, you can see over here that the volatility is at 24. If I go next over to the Russell, you can see it's at 47 over here. And if I go over to the Nasdaq, which is why I went to this one last, you can see this one's way up at 69. And all the graphs, like as I mentioned, look roughly the same. So what we're going to do is just trade the Nasdaq and do an Iron Condor in here because it's the most volatile. It's an index with a bunch of stocks in it, so it's overall much less volatile than trying to pick one individual stock, let's say like a Google or an Amazon or Facebook. So let's go over to the trade page and make the trade. So here we are on the trade page, and as we always like to do, we like to go as close to 45 days as possible. So right here, this is 40, so tomorrow when you make this trade, it'll be 39. I'm going to save us the trouble of looking through all the millions of strikes to make this trade work. I've set it up here already, and essentially what we're doing is, this is 351-ish, 352. We're going around $23 away on the put side and around $23 away on the call side. And then we're going to buy, again, to make this $2 wide, the call and the put $2 away. And we're always looking for 66 cents or more on this trade. So tomorrow what are we going to do? Market's going to open up. Let's say it opens right here. We're going to go $23 up and down, create a $2 wide Iron Condor. And if we're not collecting at least 66 cents or more, we're going to start to pull the sides in, either the put side closer if we think the stock's going to continue up, or we'll pull the call side closer if we think the stock has a better chance of going down from here. And we're going to make that, we're going to close those strikes until we get at least 66 cents or more on this trade. And that is our trade in QQQ for tomorrow. Hello everybody, Cal here with what I believe is an exciting opportunity. But just before we get started, I want to make sure you're aware that I do have quite a few courses up on Udemy. All the ones that are available are listed here. And some people don't know that these first three here are an actual three-part series. So number one in the series would be understand options, number two would be basic option strategies, and number three would be make and manage profitable trades. Again, if you're taking one, now you know that it's a three-part series. You might want to take part two and three, or if you're in two, take three, etc. And then I have a couple extra courses there as well. But the purpose of this video is because I want to get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. And the best way I've come up with to do that is by offering an alert system where you see me trading in real time, making and managing my trades. So if you go to sharpertrades.com and you click on the products button here, you'll see these two pop up, Option Basic Alert and Option Pro Alert. They both contain the alert system. The only difference with the Pro is it has a 13 course bundle. It has every course I've ever made, many of which aren't even available on Udemy. But what I'm offering you today is a deal on the alert because I really want to get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. Look, knowledge is power, but if you don't put that knowledge to use, then really what's the benefit of learning all this stuff in the end? So to get you up and running as quickly as possible, I've created a code here, basic option FB1. Again, I want to make sure you're aware it's only for the basic alert. It's not going to apply to the Pro. But if you do this now, I'm offering $1 for the first month because I want to get you to try this alert system, see if it's something you can use and get you up and trading quickly. Just so you're aware, I do 2 to 3 alerts per week, 2 to 3 trades, and I also manage my profitable trades as well. So I send out alerts for the closing trades for the profitable ones as well. 2 to 3 opening trades per week. So if you go there now, type in this basic option FB1 for the option basic trade alert, you will get it for $1 for the first month. After that, it'll automatically kick into $49 a month if you stick with it. But as you can see here, I want you to be aware you can cancel this at any time. You can stay for 1 month, you can stay for 6 months, whatever you find beneficial to you and your trading. But I want to at least give you the opportunity to see real trading in real time and how it's done. So again, as always, thank you for your support, and I hope to see you soon.